Okay guys, I've been playing with my Arduino over there, my stripped window, making a bit of strip board, and something cool, which is a capacitive sensor, which I intend to use as a, a fuel measuring on my nitro and my methanol and my petrol powered airplanes. You can see there's just a test bottle here with two electrodes with two wires that will make a capacitor. There's a resistor here connected to two pins of the Arduino there, you can see. So we got here the serial monitor running the computer. You can see it's showing a value of 0 at the moment because the bottle is empty. So what I'm going to do, so one of the plates, one of the aluminum foil is connected to ground. The other is connected to the pins. Apparently one pin is the sends and the other receives, something like that. So I don't really understand. The code is there. I got the code from the net. It uses a library, Arduino library for the capacitive sensors. Normally this is to be used to do a proximity sensor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start putting water on this thing, and it's 0 at the moment. I'm just going to reset this like this. I'm going to start pouring water on this slowly, so I don't spill water on my Arduino. So as you can see, we got some reading there. I'm going to stop it so we can see. Of course, this has some noise. If you can see, this has some noise. I cannot focus this thing. Why? Anyway, some noise. We'll let it run. And I'm going to pour more water. The values are around 150. I'm going to pour more water on this, like this. The water level now is just above middle of the plates, and the values are now on the 230. You can see. I'm going to try to stop this thing. 230, around 230, 227, 234. So apparently there's a little bit of noise in there, but for what it is, I think there won't be a problem. I will try to convince the people from the OpenX sensor to add this as a sensor. That would be very useful for people that fire nitro stuff. And now I'm going to fill the water in up to the top of the aluminum foil. Okay, so the water is just above the. We got a value of around 340. Yeah, 346, 353. Yeah, between 346 and 353, I think. Yeah, one thing I've noticed is that the error or the noise increases with the amount of water as well. So, but that should not be that. I think there could be some average the result and make this a bit more stable. I think wouldn't be a big problem. So now what I have to do is put this install this in a real tank and try to measure the fuel or the water. I don't know, the fuel might behave differently in capacitance as a dielectric than the water, so it might be completely different. You have to make tests as well with the petrol and with methanol to see how it works. Yeah, and of course, if I touch with my hands, you can see the LED there comes on. If I touch my hands, it will change the capacity a bit. You can see. But that's normal. I'm not going to put my hands while the plane is flying, that's for sure. So I think there won't be a big problem unless there's many metal parts near the fuel tank, but I don't think so. Well, that's it. Let's hope that this can be implemented in OpenX sensor, and hopefully we'll be detecting these and having a fuel measurement thing gauge and connect to OpenX sensor and in your Skynet X.